اللي تقرب لك اولع فيها، انت ليا انا وبس، اللي تحبك انا اخفيها، انت عشاني وضد اللم。
道广爱吃肉，鸡排还是给他吃吧。
小哥，吃饭呢？
哎，吃饭了。来煮饭。 有这本什么玩意儿？
还没有。
都想骗我，里面肯定有好东西。
看来这家伙的老毛病又犯了。
怎么还有鸡排？这啥没有？
你别笑，根本啥没有。你还不信？
哎呦我的妈！
Mom's here too. Hi, Mom. Hi. My mom, everybody. You look so beautiful, Mom. Oh, thank you, honey. Annie, honey. Yeah? Stand up straight. Mr. Steven Spielberg's here, honey. Really, Mom? In front of a billion people? You're gonna do that? I'm sorry. Okay, I take the note, Mom. I take the note. Please sit down.
My grandma's here too. How am I doing, Grandma?
I just saw Marky Mark.
No, Grandma. That's actually Mark Wahlberg, Academy Award nominee.
Yes, and we loved his film, The Fighter.
My girlfriend suddenly gives me money.
Baby? Why did you send me $500?
Are you happy?
I am very happy. Is this not a trap, right?
How can you think of me like this?
You are like that.
Well, today I drove your car. Your car has literally no fuel at all.
Really?
As your future wife, this is not allowed. You cannot let this happen, okay?
Okay, future wife.
From now onwards, you make sure that your car has 98 full tank, and it's on me. No matter what happened, you have me, understand?
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, also, I took your car for a special car wash today.
Really?
Yeah, it's really clean now, and then they put this very special wax on it. And the guy said it needs to set for 2 days. So you need to leave it in the car park for 2 days. And tomorrow and the day after it's raining, so it's fine.
Okay. I'm gonna go see the car, okay?
Oh, no, maybe they see it after 2 days.
No, I'm gonna go see now.
What the?